man.
Yeah, that's fine.
Is it on this?
No. Nope, it's not on there.
14 feet.
Yeah.
11 feet. Am I close? You don't know.
It's so different out here. Best I remember.
You are walking right through poison ivy.
I don't get that shit. Oh.
Well, we're getting farther away now.
Well, this is where it's at.
You see it?
Yeah, I'm standing at it.
I'm 30 feet. That way it says. 26 feet.
How much are here?
Plus or minus 13.
All right, we'll move this motherfucker.
Here, I'll walk where it says 0.
Yeah.
I'm 10 feet, so I'm guessing that tree right over there would be a good spot. Feet right in here someplace. You could put it anywhere in here. 7 feet. I'm 7 feet right where I'm standing. Log. Yeah, nobody's found this one. One person.
Yeah. That's why.
One person.
Make that small. I'm giving you a baggie to put it in.
Smaller than that? Yeah.
You gotta remember I have a baggie. I have a log in my pocket. People are gonna change the container to make it more suitable for this location. But I'm still gonna try to hide it.
Come on, bitch.
Being black, it's nice.
Never heard that before.
Oh, wow.
Okay, 7 feet, right where I'm standing. Oh, now it's got a big change. Got a 0 out here. Wow, man, it's bouncing all over. Now it's saying 31 feet.
Uh-huh.
But it's still saying down that way.
Yeah. When you move, it'll change.
28.
Yeah, what?
24. 20. 18. 17. I would say anywhere's in here, man. 14. What do you got?
Fuck, I gotta find us.
back up to where it was and then walk back down here again. 13, 16.
It ain't even showing me at all.
It's getting farther away here.
I'm not showing me. Finally, Jesus Christ.
What's that picture of? Picture of you?
It's me.
You can do that now, huh? Put a picture of yourself as your...
Why can't I search it? Yeah, for some reason I can't get it to come up and tell me. I'm gonna try the app.
Yeah, it's just bouncing around in here big time. 19.
Finally.
17. 15. 13.
I got 42 foot over that way.
10.
And then when I walk over there, it'll move.
I got 10 feet right here. Right where I was at, right in here.
Here, watch this. This is what.
7 feet.
See, now it just.
18. Feet right here.
Yeah.
9 feet. Right in here, man. That's what I'm saying. 6 feet. Is that where you're going to put it? Right there?
Well, I've got 7 feet.
I got 4 feet right here. Let me come over where you're at. Now, if I don't have poison ivy tomorrow, I'll be lucky.
Yeah, I'm saying 5 foot right now.
15, 12, 7, nope, 12. Yeah, this is close enough. Plus or minus.
You want to sign that
about
one?
20 feet from where you originally had it, though.
I don't care.
Somebody will find it now.
There, people had found it, bro.
Only one person had logged it, written on it.
You're not premium.
Oh, is this a premium cache?
No. It's only showing you one.
Yeah, but there was only one name on there.
Really? Huh?
I thought. I could be wrong.
Yeah. You signed it?
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Yeah, people have been finding this one. And that's a 2-2. Even though it's supposed to be back there. Next one's corner.
Oh, they went up a ton, haven't they?
What?
And the price for a year subscription, $31?
Yeah, it just happened too. If you'd have paid for it.
Oh, wait. Which one am I going to now?
Corner. If you'd have had it paid for already this year.
Which one is it?
Corner.
Oh, I don't know which one that is. Is that on the other side of the river?
No.
Heatwave.
No.
Tired.
We were right here. Oh, Matt.
Oh, these must be premium caches. Because I can't see them.
What are those ones there?
Those must be premiums.
What do they say?
Upgrade to see more. Yeah, I can't get those. We can still go to them.
That's bullshit. I don't have it set premium.
That must. Those must be not yours. Are they little mats?
Well, it's placed by me.
Yeah. I have to completely go back into it. Yeah, I can't see those. There's a whole bunch of them I can't see down through here that are set as premium.
Well, I'll undo them and you can say you found them. So I can do that at the house. All mine are supposed to be fucking for anyone. So that's horseshit.
So I can't even find the GPS.
God damn it, motherfucker. Oh, fuck.
That was a metal pipe sticking out of the ground.
Oh my God. That made the end of my day. Oh my God.
Did it rip your shoe?
No, but it sure fucking put a gouge in that motherfucker. God damn it,
You want to
man.
go sit down? There's a stump or a piece of brick.
Yeah, I see some shit over here. God damn it, motherfucker. Oh. Oh. Dude.
I can't. You know what? Give me that can of paint's in the car, isn't it?
Yeah.
I should put a pin around that thing.
Fuck. They gotta know people outside. I am not the only person that's stepped on that or hit
No,
that.
you're not.
Dude, I expect to see my fucking shit bleeding in there. I broke my fucking toenail or something. God damn, it did. It ripped the fuck out of my shoe. Get to where I can take my fucking shoe off and not fall.
Still hurting?
Hell, yeah. It's just throbbing like a cartoon, dude.
Hope you're not
That
bleeding.
hotel. I don't feel wet. Yeah, I just feel throbbing, dude. No blood. I can move it.
You want me to go back and get that paint and spray around it?
Oh, man. I don't know. That's gonna do. Ooh.
Fucking A, you hit it.
Oh, damn, dude.
If it's not broke, you're very lucky. It hurts when you bend it?
Yeah.
You probably broke it then.
I can bend it,
Cracked
though.
it.
God damn, dude.
Yeah, we don't have to go on.
No, I'm gonna finish. Fuck, I'm no pussy. That still hurts. Just had to let air out, make sure it's not broken. Because if I just, damn, it has to be my right foot too.
When I broke my foot, my toe, it hurt up in my freaking up farther in my foot too.
Yeah, I'm feeling all the way in here, but
Yep.
I did that the other day jumping out of the truck. So it's hard. Oh, it's hard to tell what's new and what's not. Let's try not to throw up. Getting this fucker back in here.
Is it still hurting that bad?
Yeah, it's like fucking hot.
Then maybe we shouldn't continue.
Well, I'll know here in a minute.
It don't matter to me. I can come back anytime.
Dude, I live with cramps. Like all over me. That there is just, it's almost hurting so bad it's numb. And if that numbs out, then I'm cool. We'll finish up. We ain't got that much. What bothers me is I'm feeling like cold around my lips and my eyes. Like
Yeah, you're white as a ghost now too.
No, I'm not. If I throw up on camera, this is gonna be bullshit. Oh, it is on the camera, dude. they may be fucked. If I have to go to the ER, they're definitely fucking paying. I don't even know who it'd be. They'll probably tell me to get my fucking geocaches out of here.
Go back over here and film the thing that's coming out of the ground better then.
Let's take a picture of it. I can put all my weight on it, man. It's just that toenail area is just fucking killing.
You can see where they hit it with their lawnmowers.
Yeah. I'm just worried it's fucking make me have to take this other toenail off, dude.
I can't believe they've left that there.
I'm feeling better. I don't feel like I'm gonna throw up, but
Look like a piece of a fence or something.
yeah.
If you don't have to go to the ER or nothing, you can still let them know.
Oh, I'm gonna let them know. I'm
Don't
gonna.
do it again.
Fuck no. I mean, damn.
Covered up with
Dude, coming from this side, Jesus Christ. That'd really fuck you up,
well,
dude.
This is sharp.
Yeah, it's sharp.
Because they ran over it and they sharpened it.
It did. It punctured my toe, or punctured my
Shoe.
deal. I thought for sure it'd go through because these are flimsy fucking shoes. I'm my fucking bad out here doing this shit. If I had on boots, but your shoes ain't much better.
No, these are not for geocaches.
Yeah, if walking on the path, they're luxurious.
These were $84.
Oh, that's very luxurious fucking.
But they were half price and then they were red dotted. And so we got them for $30.
Yeah.
But now they're back up to $69. I like them because they got camo on them.
Yeah.
I don't buy Nike stuff anymore, so it's all Adidas. I have some Nike stuff that I still have. I'm not going to throw it away, but I'm just not going to.
Flaunt it.
I'm not going to buy any more. I don't buy Coke products.
Oh.
Here's another something.
Yeah, that's sticking up pretty good
That
though.
one's not though.
I just hit a stick.
These are painted so you can see it.
Yeah, don't get up on this guy for a minute. Oh, he's not getting ready to throw.
Is it right up in here?
No, it's past. I just didn't want to interrupt him so.
Hey, you're definitely limping now.
I've got one hell of a headache. Just from.
Yeah, you got your color back.
I thought I was gonna throw up. Not too bad. Oh, son of a bitch! This park's attacking me today. Catching every stick I can.
You guys checking out. I see you looking at some stuff down there. Just
Geocaching.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's like 8 of them in the park here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I advise we erase the record.
Yeah, I've seen people from a distance. I've never really got up too much to watch.
Oh, okay.
What are you aiming at from up here?
You can see the basket.
That one way down there?
Just left of that tree, yeah. Yeah.
Can you hit it from here?
No, I can't.
I was gonna say, damn.
It's like 3 throws for me.
So it's
Most of them I can do in 3.
so is it a par 4 or par 3?
I think this one's a par 4, I think. Does it say right there? Yeah, par 4, yep.
Sweet.
Well, if you can do it now, get a par.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can't do that. There's no way I can do that anymore.
right.
Well, you don't have to power it. If you just was doing it just because you wanted to do it, though, we could do it, but we might be fucking 5 shots for us.
5 or 6 times.
Uh-huh.
Oh, shit. Well, we'll let you get to it, man. Shit.